Emergency responders, take one.
My name is Bernadette.
My name is Alex.
My name is Aisha.
My name is Blake Markser.
I'm in the Emergency Responder SHSM.
I have a few family members that are already in emergency services.
I was really involved and I really was interested into paramedicine.
Well, I always had a passion for first responders and I had a great respect for them because they're always there in our time of need.
Honestly, I've just always felt a calling to service, to helping people in the communities, and I'm actually a member of the Canadian Armed Forces Reserve.
Actually going to lessons or lectures where you learn about first responders.
I'm doing my co-op at the Milton District Hospital. I work in the long-term care, so with patients that have like dementia, Alzheimer's. It's a good experience and everyone's really nice.
It's really cool to get hands-on training with just like first aid, emergency response, even to come out here in the woods and be able to learn how to set up structures and how to kind of live in the wilderness a little bit. It's really cool.
Definitely the field trips that we have because we really get to have a hands-on experience.
We're actually simulating when someone gets lost and the priorities of keeping alive in a wilderness setting. Shelter, fire, water, singling. So the students now are getting a very valuable lesson on what to do and how serious it is if you do get lost.
It's even put me in positions where I'm able to talk to first responders and and start networking in the community.
The certifications we get through the SHSM, I really do feel like they help me out a lot, especially in my outside of school.
And this program has really helped me decide what I'm interested in and for a possible career option.
This has definitely given me experiences and certifications which obviously not everybody has.
I plan to go into firefighting. So I've done a few programs like bloodborne pathogens, fire extinguishers, wilderness survival, and then the Camp Molly as well.
I would definitely recommend this program to other people in high school.
I would recommend it to everyone.
I would definitely recommend the program.
It's a fantastic experience and a fantastic opportunity to better yourself and to really learn some skills that are going to help you in the long run.